Give me 30 days. Not 30 perfect days, not 30 motivated days, just 30 controlled days. Because right now, your dopamine is not broken. Your system is. You wake up and reach for your phone. You scroll before you think. You consume before you create. Your brain gets reward without effort, pleasure without progress. And slowly, you feel weaker. You tell yourself you are tired. You say you need motivation. You blame your mood, your past, your situation. But the truth is simple. You trained your brain to love easy stimulation, fast videos, quick hits, endless noise. And now, real work feels boring. Silence feels painful. Focus feels impossible. This is not a character flaw, it is conditioning. And what is conditioned can be rebuilt. For the next 30 days, you are not doing a dopamine detox. You are doing a dopamine reset. You are going to earn your reward. No phone for the first hour of your morning. No scrolling before you produce something. Train before entertainment. Work before pleasure. Discomfort before comfort. You will feel resistance. Your mind will look for escape. It will whisper that this is too extreme, that you deserve a break. That voice is the old you trying to survive. Ignore it. Replace cheap dopamine with effort-based dopamine. Lift weights, study deeply, build a skill, write, run. Create something that did not exist yesterday. At first, it will feel slow. Your brain will crave speed. But if you stay consistent, something powerful happens. Your focus sharpens. Your energy stabilizes. Simple tasks feel satisfying again. You start finishing what you start. And then the shift begins. You no longer need hype. You no longer wait for motivation. You move because it is time to move. You act because you said you would. That is discipline. And discipline changes identity. After 30 days, you will not feel like the same person. Your mornings will feel controlled. Your mind will feel quieter. Your actions will feel intentional. People will notice. They will ask what changed. Nothing dramatic happened. You just stopped feeding weakness and started feeding effort. You became someone who earns dopamine, someone who delays pleasure, someone who does hard things daily. That is how you become unrecognizable, not through motivation, through repetition. So start tomorrow morning. Put your phone away. Sit in silence. Do the hard thing first. Do it even if you feel nothing, especially if you feel nothing. 30 days. No excuses. No negotiation. Rebuild your reward system. Reclaim your focus. Reclaim your life. And prove to yourself that you are not controlled by impulses. You are controlled by decisions. Make one now.